What legacy am I leaving behind? Thousands of words have been written about the meaning of life, the universe, the beyond, about souls and the impact on them. But no matter whether you believe or not, whether you are a spiritual person or not, there is one absolute truth in which all beliefs coincide. Every single one of your actions has consequences. Even if you are a non-believer, your actions still have the same consequences. Even if you lose all your faith at this point, even if you decide that the very existence of the universe makes no sense to you, and you feel lost in the chaos, your actions still matter. They continue to create consequences. They continue to impact people in one way or another. And the impact can be small or it can be an undeniable mark. Eternal. Whatever you do, what you are doing right now, everything counts. But what counts exactly? The day you leave this world, this hard world, will your family gather to mourn your departure and celebrate your life? Will your friends talk about the advice you gave, the good times you shared? If you could be present at your own funeral, what would you hear from them? What would they say about you? It sounds like a sad story, but in reality, it is one of the most powerful exercises that each and every one of us can do. Imagine the legacy you want to leave behind you, the memory you want to leave your children and grandchildren, the impact you want to make on the world. Live faithfully to that legacy. Sow joy. Work on kindness. Be a helping hand when needed. Take care of your principles and never, ever betray your values. Those values that define you and make you great. That's the key. Always be the person you already are, but empower the best in yourself every day. You don't compete with anyone. You only compete with yourself. And remember that your existence leaves a mark. Your actions, your decisions, every word you dedicate to another person, every action has a reaction. You don't want to go through this life on tiptoe. You don't want to live life avoiding leaving a mark, but you certainly don't want to leave a wrong mark behind you. If the only thing that matters is what we make happen, then you'd better do your best. Within you, there is a seed of greatness. Find it, let it blossom. Water it every day with good thoughts, with generous actions, with compassion towards others. You can create real magic, step by step, day by day, action by action, person by person, and make that magic part of the lives of the next generations. That's why it's so important to be fully aware of this, to understand that your place in the world is decided by you, and to ask yourself the most important question of all: what impact will I make on the lives of others? What legacy will I leave behind?